Welcome to 5 Minute STEM. Today we're going to be going over how to create dynamic charts in Excel. This would be useful if you're looking to create a dashboard, for example, and you have similar data to this, where you're forecasting the hours and you have data for multiple years, but you only want to show the current year, for example. So what you do is go to Developer, select Scroll Bar, create the scroll bar, right-click, and then Format Control. Link a cell, so in this case we'll do A10. Oh. And then, as you see, A10 changes when you scroll. Then we're going to do a formula on the months, since those are the labels that will be changing. So do equals offset. And your reference is going to be B1, 0 for rows, and then your column is going to be A10. And then there it is, January 20. But we want to change the formula a little bit. Just add dollar signs so that that's always the reference point. And just drag down the formula so that it's December at the end. And now you're going to do a sum-if formula to get the data that you want. So equals sum-if, select row 1, and your criteria is going to be B11, and then your sum range is row 2 in this case for project 1. And there it is, 80 for January 2020. But again, you want to change the formula a little bit. Okay, now you can drag it. Now, as you can see, the data changes. So now that you have your dynamic table, we can create our dynamic graph. Let's just move this down a little bit. Select the data, insert. We'll do the combo. Again, it doesn't look exactly how we want it, so we want this to be stacked, this to be stacked as well. And so the bars are your forecasted hours, the green line is the actual hours, and then there you go. When you scroll, the bar changes and updates, so that's a dynamic chart. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.